Hi everyone, once again this is Hannah and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to the most exciting part, which is the unboxing of the birthday gifts that I've received today, a day before my birthday, the 26th of September 2022.
Всем привет! Сегодня мы вам покажем самую интересную и захватывающую часть нашего дня рождения, вернее дня рождения Мисс Анны, которая длится уже несколько дней. Сегодня мы покажем вам наши подарки. Сегодня 26 число, так что оставайтесь с нами и посмотрите.
The first gift that we will be going to unbox is the birthday gift from Ahmad Murodov, your Karomat's brother, Saidov. So first, you're gonna have it like that. Then, ta-da!
Very beautiful.
Then, there is this card. Happy birthday, Miss Hannah. Be with us always. We love you. Then, let's open it. Ta-da! So, this is the first gift. Now, let's proceed to the second gift. But Anahita needs to fix this first.
Wait. Это был наш первый подарок. Как вы видите, здесь красота совмещается с полезными, то есть шоколад это у нас полезный, а красота это, естественно, Мисс Анна сама. Это был подарок от, скажем так, брата Каромата, как называет его Мисс Анна. И спасибо ему еще раз большое от имени Мисс Анны. Сейчас мы это исправим и покажем вам следующие подарки.
It's okay, just put it down first. So thank you so much, Ahmad. And also to the mother of Ahmad, of course. And the next one here is from Mehronay Bobokhon. Speakers, which I can use during the class. Thank you so much, Mehrona. And the next?
Ни для кого не секрет, что преподавателям нужны колонки. Так что здесь у нас он.
And this gift is from Dr. Maneja, a very good cardiologist here in Dushanbe. This is tea, I think, beta tea. And of course, Rafaelo. Thank you, Manej. And this one here is from Apay Matluba, my older sister here in Dushanbe. She asked me what she can give me, and I said, give me any towel that is soft and good for skin. This is my request. Thank you so much, Apay Matluba. And another one here, I put in the same plastic, but this is from Sumit. There are chocolates I've eaten already, so this is from Sumit. Thank you so much, Nozim of Sumit. And yeah, this was the plastic tag of the gift of Sumit. And the next one, okay, these are the chocolates that I got from my students. Actually, I put it all here together, like all of the chocolates from different people. So I can't remember who they are. Thank you so much to all of you. And this one, I also can't remember, to be honest. It's perfume. This is from Munisa. Okay. Musa Beshoeva Munisa. Thank you so much, Munis. And the same. I can't remember who's this from. This is... Days ago, my students asked me what are my wishes for my birthday, and I told them pens, special mention gel pens or Galiviruchki. And this one I can remember from my morning group. And this one, also one of my wishes, towels. And this one, toiletries, very useful, thank you. And the next, oh, this one is from Shukruna and Umed, if I'm not mistaken. I can put here chocolates and some other food. And this one, another request. Towel. Thank you. And what else do we have there? Desk organizer. Ay, malades. Whoever gave this, I was planning to buy this in Ashan. And I can remember it was 60 sumoni. And I said I'm gonna buy it later. Then it was the 1st of September. I saw it for 25 sumoni. But people around, I can't remember if it's Anahita or Sabrina or Mehrona, they told me no need to buy this. Because anyway, the students will just take it home. So see, very beautiful. Good job to whoever gave me this one. Thank you so much. And what else in here? Birthday card from Nozia. Thank you, Nozia. And this one is from Gulnora. Благодарю тебя. Спасибо, что ты есть. It's the Mercy advertisement. And this one also from, this is from Yusuf Shoaib. So we have here deodorant and chocolate. Nothing there?
No.
There. I need that one also. The speakers, that's from Sabrina. And this one is from Habibullah. This is from Sabrina. Thank you so much for the new speakers. Anahita, can you help me?
Of course.
There's a saying, you need to unwrap gifts. Like you have to destroy the wrappings so that you will have good luck in life. Thank you. This is flour.
Oh,
Thank you so much, Habib. What else?
that's it.
I think that's it. So this is part 1 of the unboxing. And see you guys for tomorrow's video for the second part. Anahita?
Спасибо, что были с нами. Это была первая часть наших подарков. Завтра мы вам покажем следующую часть. Также завтра будет само празднование, то есть день рождения Мисаны. Поздравьте ее в комментариях, не забудьте поставить лайк и также включить уведомления, чтобы вы не пропускали наши новые видео. Всем спасибо, что были с нами. Удачи!
Before I end this video, I want to say that these gifts, I appreciate that, but I merely appreciate even your simple presence every day for the love, the care that you always give me. Thank you all so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button for more upcoming videos.
The next day.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
3 hours later.